What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Aero Precision M5, which is the 308. Enhanced handguard. So as you can see, this is the packaging that it comes in here, and this is the 15-inch handguard. It also notes here this is the Gen 2 version. Not sure if that matters. I didn't even know there was a Gen 1. But then also on this side here, you can see all the specifics that I picked up. Like I said, this is a 15-inch model. It does have a FDE Cerakote on it. And this part right here is super important if you're looking to pick it up. The version I got here, it says barrel nut included, yes. So that means you can use this with a standard M5D PMS upper, so you don't have to have the Aero enhanced upper. You can actually use the barrel nut provided to put it on any other branded upper receiver for a 308. If your box says no on it, that means it can only be used on the Aero Precision M5 enhanced upper. I think this is one of the biggest things online as far as gun shops reselling them. They don't mark this if it comes with this or not, and it can get a little confusing. But anyways, when we open it up, I'll show you the barrel nut that comes with it, because you might be sad if you didn't get one and you needed one. The last section here shows that I did get the M-Lock version. I don't think I've ever even seen a key mod or quad rail version of this. Maybe in the future, that'd be cool. But again, this one is the M-Lock. So with that, let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed. Apologies for it not all fitting on camera here, but I'm gonna do my best to show it all. Awesome, and there we go. Now you can see it is unboxed here. Let's go ahead and grab everything out. We got our rail here. I'm gonna set aside. We also get, this is the barrel nut that I talked about. Set that aside. And of course, we cannot forget our lucky sticker here. So we're gonna go ahead and set that aside as well. That's it for in the box, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the box aside. So with everything out here, we can go ahead and remove our foam from our actual handguard here and see what we have. As you can see, I mentioned this is the FDE Cerakoted enhanced version, which is the, it has a bigger diameter on the inside here, and I think looks a little cooler compared to the Atlas model that they have. So we can kind of move that aside, and then here is the big difference, like I said. If you're ordering from Aero's website, they actually have an option to ship it with this barrel nut or not. If you include this on their website, it is a higher cost to it. But again, I picked this up from AIM Surplus actually, and it didn't mark if it came with this or not, so I was actually curious, and sure enough, it did come with it, and it was actually a lower price point than the Aero website. So just a heads up there if you do want this. Let's open it up though, show you what it actually is. We do have these screws. This is for the handguard to secure it. There is 8 screws that goes in right here, here, and here on it to secure it to your gun. And then the other piece that comes in here is the actual bar barrel nut. And this is only used if you do not have the Aero Precision enhanced upper. So if your upper has just threads on the outside, you will need to use this in order to secure your handguard. The way this works here is you can actually see this will screw on like a normal barrel nut. And then once you have this on your upper receiver, you can see the screw holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those will correspond right to your handguard here to mount it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, you're going to use the screws provided to do that. For example though, I do have a Aero Precision enhanced upper receiver for the M5 that I'm going to be putting this on. And as you can see, the Aero Precision enhanced version does have this basically forged or whatever milled onto the receiver, so you can't remove this section here. That being said, the only handguard I can use on this upper receiver is the enhanced Aero Precision handguard. You can see the screw holes there. Once I put this together, they line up. I'll use the screws that are provided, secure it in, and you're good to go. But again, if you did not get the Aero Precision enhanced upper receiver with this part already kind of milled in there, that's when you'll need this bar barrel nut that was provided with the handguard, because mine was marked yes to have this. And in that case, you would go ahead, screw this onto the threads. This would now replace this forged or whatever piece on here. And now you can screw your handguard that you got here onto your upper receiver through the holes there. So again, this was a little bit of a learning process for me as far as learning that this did come with the Aero Precision handguard when ordering it from like AIM Surplus or another gun shop. But on Aero's website, you have to specify if you want this or not. And then again, there's a cost difference. So I think there needs to be a little bit of clarity on how all this works here. So hopefully this helps you figure that out if you're looking to do a 308 build with the Aero Precision parts. Either way, that does it for this video here today. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the enhanced Gen 2 upper receiver for the M5 Aero Precision, and then also talk about the barrel nut that you may or may not need and making sure that you do have it if you do with doing your AR build. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. And if you haven't checked it out yet, I do have a bunch of other videos unboxing all the Aero Precision version parts, letting you know what comes with it. So that way, if you're looking to do a build, you know exactly what you need or what you need to pick up. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Always happy to help. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.